So, lilinisin namin to. So, nakadasi. Kita niyo yan, ang dumi-dumi oh. It's a very, very dirty. So, what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna dig my, I'm gonna put my hand there and grab all this. Minsan ayaw ko magsuot ng gloves. Pero, mas gusto ko, I feel like I'm the best clean na itaw kapag I got no glove. So, that's why. So, ayan. Kukunin yan. Kakamayin ko na lang yan. Okay lang yan. Wala naman ditong mga... So, lilinisin yan. Yan ang ginagawa namin dito sa... Ang trabaho ko dito sa Australia. So, this is my job. This is my job here in Australia. So, right now, I just keep... And then, all the cobwebs there and all the sticky there, tatanggalin namin yan dyan. Tatanggalin namin yan. So, just babacuumin na lang yun. But I will get this one first. Kita nyo yung dumi. And then we're gonna do the vacuum. Yeah, we'll do the vacuum that one later. Thank you, Wasim. Ito. I think, Wasim, yes. This one we need to throw away. This one we need to throw away. So, have a look if you have some bin there somewhere. Can you just take it outside? Just take that one aside. Good boy, Wasim. Wasim, thank you. So, this is all the preview una. Belonging to the preview owner. So we're gonna all this, we're gonna throw away that. We're gonna empty that one first. And then I'm gonna clean that one later on. Yes. So this one, everything we have to clean. And then, pag na-empty na yan namin mamaya, pag na-empty ko na yan, at saka ko lilinisin yan. So, lahat yan itatapon para yung tao na titira nitong bahay na to. I think this is a curtain to belong someone.
Oh, I don't know.
Or just belong. Should I leave it here?
Maybe
I can just leave it here because that's belong there. But the drink.
Oopsie.
Okay, so I think I don't know what it is, but
Just leave it there. They might need it.
yeah, just leave it there. So this one, tatapon natin yan. And it's a dami ng dumi. So kita nyo yung dumi? Kita mo yung dumi, Mi? Yan, lilinis namin yan. Sa ngayon ay medyo marumi pa. Pero mamaya kapag natapos na, ay maganda na. Na talagang makikita mo na pinagtrabahoan namin. Yan. So tatapon ko muna ito.